Hello and namaste everyone. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I'm going to make a fifth part of 7 days yoga challenge. I had made first series about power Vinyasa Flow, second was about Hatha yoga, and third I had made for back bend and hip opening, and fourth was about side and twisting. So today I'm going to make a fifth part, and this is based on Vinyasa Flow, and this can practice by beginner to intermediate. Now if you had not seen my first, second, third and fourth series, so first, or you can watch it later, I had given the link in the description box, or you can check it here on the I button. I had given link here also. So let's get started. Okay. So first I show you some easy exercise to warm your body before the class. So first you have to sit here straight like this, take your both toes up, then you have to slowly inhale first, interlock your finger, so you lift your toes up and take your arms back properly. Exhale. Now take your toes out and hunch your back. Properly stretch. Then inhale. Again try to lift up your heel. Place your both arms back, toes up. Look up, expand your rib cage. Exhale. Hunch your back properly. Inhale. Raise the heel higher, toes up, look up, squeeze the upper back, expand your rib cage. Exhale. Slowly put it forward. Inhale. Lift your toes up. You can do this 5 to 6 repetitions. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Lift your toes up, take it up and stretch, expand your rib cage, look up, inhale in your lungs and exhale. One more time, inhale, lift your rib cage up, toes up, look up and hold it for the 6 count. 6, 5, keep lifting your chest higher. 4, come on, 3, 2, and when now slowly exhale. Now slowly you can relax your toe and slowly have to just bend forward, go down as forward as you can. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when slowly inhale. Now another twisting. Exhale. Take your left hand and catch your left heel. Twist. Look at your left hand. Inhale. Expand your rib cage. Exhale with your left hand, catch your right heel, twist, look up to the right hand. Inhale, look up, expand your rib cage. Exhale, twist, lift your rib cage higher. Inhale, look up. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale. Last 2. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Now we will hold, so we do a little variation. With your left hand try to catch your right leg, and with your right hand catch your heel. Look up, expand your rib cage and hold your 6, 5, both toes up. 4, 3, 2, and when slowly inhale, look up, change another side, try to catch it here, and exhale, twist, look up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when now slowly inhale, take your both arms straight and exhale. Now third warm up. First you have to just inhale, take your feet little a gap here, look up, keep your both arms straight. Exhale, press the heel on the mat, lift your toes up, stretch your leg, and make sure that your lower back is straight. Lift up. Inhale, look up and stretch. Keep your both arms straight, up, expand the rib cage. Then slowly take your right leg forward in between your palm. Take it here, heel down, warrior 2. Take it here like this first. Take your abdomen in and take your right leg 90 degree and take it straight here. Look at your right hand and hold your 6, 5, slowly inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, and 1, slowly exhale. Take your elbow down straight 90 degree. Take your left arm straight. Look at your hand. 6, maintain balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, exhale. Take your arms down, back heel up, put your knee down again. Make sure 90 degrees straight and inhale. Join your palm, look up and hold. 6, lift your ribcage up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, slowly exhale. Take your left toe tuck in. Now slowly inhale. Take your right leg up, put it to the left side. Take your right arm straight 90 degree. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, slowly exhale. Right leg, put it in between your palm. And again, slowly hard to just join your palm. Look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1, exhale. Take your arms down and slowly hard to just take your back toe tip in, drop your knee down. Take your right leg up here and with your left hand, get your ankle, lift up, look up and hold, maintain balance. Keep your right hand and left leg 90 degree from the mat. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your right leg forward. Now take your both leg 90 degree here. Slowly inhale, maintain balance, and exhale. Take your left arms down, right arm straight, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Take your right shoulder down. Try to grab, hug your knee, get your wrist, bend forward and hold. Maintain your both leg 90 degree. 6, bend forward, exhale. 5, 4, take no more breathing. 3, come on, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, raise your both arms straight, and exhale. Slowly take it back here and take it back here. Press your heel on the mat. Now again, just hold it here for the 6th breath. 1, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. 4, exhale. 5, inhale. And 6, exhale. Now put your left leg forward in between your palm. Warrior 2. Slowly inhale. Again, take your left leg 90 degree. Try to take your both hip in one line. Look at your left hand and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Now take your elbow down, look up and hold. 6. Take normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Take your both arms down. Drop your right leg down, toes out, and slowly inhale again. Take your leg 90 degree, push the middle hip forward, join your palm and hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Take your back heel up. Inhale. Take your left leg to the right side and take your left arm straight. Look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Now slowly how to just bend your leg, put it forward here. Inhale, raise the both arms straight, join your palm and hold here. 6, look up. 5, now take normal breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Now take your right toe tip in, put it forward and slowly inhale. Now take your left arm 90 degree, right leg 90 degree and try to catch it here. Look up and hold. 6, maintain balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, place your both hands down. Take your left leg forward. Now again, both legs will be 90 degree. Inhale, raise your arms straight. and exhale. To the right, hands down. Maintain your both leg 90 degrees straight. Look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale. Take your both arms straight and exhale. Slowly take it back here. Stretch. Head down and press down here. And slowly drop your knee. Put it down and relax here.